If you were left with nothing but the clothes on your back, what would they say about you? When it comes to first impressions, this is a big factor of what people go off of. So the better question is, what do you want them to say?
If you don't like what is being said, change the conversation.
Believe it or not, your clothing is an extension of who you are. It's not everything, but it is something. And how you wear those clothes can be the difference maker of how people perceive you versus how you wish to be perceived. And the latter part should be the thing you care about more. Because important event aside, you shouldn't care about what other people think. The most important thing is feeling comfortable in your own skin. But reality check, even if you dress up for other people, if you're not happy with it, you're still going to look and feel out of place. So when it comes to updating your wardrobe, it should come from who you are and who you're wanting to be, and not what social media and magazines are telling you to be. Most people generally buy clothing between two categories, where style meets comfort. Does it look good and do I feel good is a good rule of thumb. However, I would amend that to do I look good and do I feel good? Because what may look appealing on the mannequin may not look so appealing on you. Besides, you also don't want to get stuck with a whole bunch of fashion trends that you'll inevitably grow out of. So with that in mind, let's alter those two concepts to wearability and interchangeable. Do you see yourself wearing this a lot, and does this already match a lot of the clothing you own? By checking out both of those boxes, you will save money on your cost per wear. Take it from me, I get a lot more value out of the $75 jacket that I wear all the time, rather than the $30 t-shirt I hardly ever touch. So now when adding clothing to your wardrobe, I would actually start by subtracting. You're going to free up space in your closet, and more importantly, you're going to see what isn't you. By getting rid of all those items that you've only worn a handful of times over the years, you're getting a clear example of what not to buy again. From here, like I said, you want to buy clothes that when you try them on, you never want to take off. Whether it's the fabric, the fit, or the colors themselves. Having clothing that you'll always love will always be better than buying outfits to impress everyone. Because the truth is, you never will. And having your own sense of style and outlook on fashion, in my opinion, is the definition of having your own personal wardrobe.
These are my recreation clothes.
So whether you find yourself in the middle of business and casual, or just want to live in lazy loungewear, do it with purpose and keep it you. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to incorporate some lifestyle and self-help as a way to expand my career as a host. So if you like that, then look forward to more, and I'll see you guys very soon. What do you think? Should I keep it? Yay, nay? Get rid of it?